Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we have another wig review. Yay! Today's review comes to us from Sam's Beauty, and it is from Outre. It is KATIANA. Now, I've seen this wig review a couple times on the YT, and it put me in mind of KATIA. This one here, it isn't like a 13 by 4 or anything like that, but you see how much parting area you get in the front, you guys. You get a lot of parting area, so you can go in and play with the hairline. I fell in love with this wig. Number one is textured, okay? Number two, it has a beautiful dark root. The lace looks really good. I just fell in love with this wig, and I love the color. What I ended up doing was, as you guys can see, my normal, I went in and I sprayed the lace and blow dried it. So this one here does have those like crimps or whatever in it, you know, like look like it's textured. I didn't like that much, so I went in with my blow dryer. I didn't want to put too much heat on it, but I went in with my blow dryer at first, and then you're going to see that I'm going to go through the hair. So the hairline on this looks really good, you know, for it to be a middle part wig, basically. If you want to go in and pluckety pluck, you can, and slick the sides down, because like I said, you get about an inch of parting on the sides. You guys, you can do that. I was wearing this wig as a throw and go. Literally, I wanted to throw this wig on and go out the door. I was getting dressed to go out this night, and so I just wanted to see what this wig could do. And honey, it takes no time, maybe 10 minutes to get it right. So I went through it with my flat iron at the top to get it nice and flat, and then I went through with my my hot comb as well. Now with the flat iron, I didn't want to change the texture too much and make it silky, so I left it on like maybe 200, and I just went through it very lightly. As you can see, I didn't like spend a lot of time and make it like bone straight or anything, because I just didn't want it to be too straight. So I did go in again and put just a little bit of spray in the parting area. That's so it wouldn't move, and I blow dried it. So this is going to be the final look for it, you guys. Like I said, I really really like this wig. I like how natural it is. Now it is a teeny bit stiff, and I think that's just because it is you know, has a little bit of yucky in it. So I did wear this wig out, and this is the outfit that I wore. If you guys are following me on social media, you probably already seen it, but this hair was everything. Thank y'all so much for catching the video today. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending the wig over. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.